Hi, I'm Chris. My daily routine in London. I was born in London, but my parents came from Scotland. They moved to London before I was born. I've lived in this big city all my life. I work as an English teacher at a high school in London. I love my job because I enjoy helping students learn. My apartment is quite far from my school. So, every day, I commute to the school by underground. In the morning, the underground is very crowded. Sometimes, it feels like everyone in London is on the underground with me, with people packed like sardines. I met Emma 2 years ago at a community centre. When I saw her, I thought she was special. It was love at first sight. We talked and laughed a lot that day. A few months later, we started dating. Every Thursday, Emma and I do something special. We call it themed Thursdays. Sometimes, we listen to music. I play the guitar and we both sing. Other times, we cook or watch a movie. We always have fun on these nights. When I'm not working or with Emma, I like to read books. Sometimes, I read in the park. On weekends, I often enjoy exploring different parts of London. I'm interested in the city's history, so I sometimes visit museums or historical landmarks. I also like to play football with my friends at a local park. If the weather is nice, I might go for a bike ride along the River Thames or visit one of the city's famous markets. Every now and then, I spend a weekend visiting my parents, who live in a quieter part of the city. We have meals together and reminisce about old times. On Sunday evenings, I usually prepare for the upcoming week, planning lessons for my classes and spending quality time with Emma. I'm happy in London. I have a good job, a wonderful girlfriend and many friends. Every day is a new adventure for me. Interesting vocabulary and expressions. To commute, traveling regularly between work and home. Example: every day, Sarah commutes from her suburban home to her downtown office by train. Underground, the train system in London that runs below the ground. Example: she grabbed her book and hopped on the tube to her next destination. Be packed like sardines, describes a very crowded space where people are standing or sitting very close together. Example: during rush hour, commuters were packed like sardines in the train. Love at first sight, the feeling of immediately falling in love with someone upon first seeing them. Example: when he walked into the room, it was love at first sight for her. To date, to engage in a romantic relationship, often involving going out together. Example: they've been dating for 3 years and are very happy together. Landmark, a recognizable natural or man-made feature used for navigation, often a significant cultural symbol. Example: the Statue of Liberty is an important landmark in New York City. Football/soccer, a sport where teams try to score by getting a ball into the opposing team's goal, primarily using their feet. Example: he plays football every weekend with a local club. To reminisce, to enjoy or engage in the act of remembering past experiences. Example: old friends reunited to reminisce about their college days. Prepare, to make ready or get something or someone ready for a particular purpose or event. Example: she likes to prepare her lessons a week in advance to ensure she's ready for any questions her students might have. Adventure, an unusual, exciting, and possibly dangerous activity or journey. Example: they went on an adventure to hike the tallest mountain in the region, eager to see the view from the top.